In this lesson, we will be looking at an introduction to polynomials. What is a polynomial? So what we have here is a multi-term equation. So it has not just simply a number, but it has x. It has x squared. So I have provided an example here. 2x to the fourth minus 4x to the third plus 7x minus 10. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 terms here. Poly, meaning more than one. Polynomial, more than one term. We can use these equations to make very interesting looking graphs, which we will examine coming up here. So here's an example of a polynomial. Again, 1, 2, 3 terms. This one is x to the third. We'll get why that's important here in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, this is an interesting graph. We have a high point, also a low point, and both of the ends continue on in each direction, up and down, forever. Here is another example of a polynomial, an x to the fourth. It's negative x to the fourth plus x to the third plus 2x squared. So again, there are 3 terms, and our highest exponent is the fourth power. Again, an interesting shape here. If you notice, both ends end up pointing facing down, and also it crosses the x-axis here a couple times. 1, 2, 3 times that it actually touches. And we can also see we've got a high point here, a low point there, and another high point here. So next we're going to look at some key features, things we need to know about polynomials. What we're going to start calling zeros or roots. These are the same thing as x-intercepts, so where our graph crosses the x-axis. Also, our degree should match, the number of roots, and we'll also notice that the degree will match the highest exponent in our equation. So in this example, x to the third minus 7x plus 6 will have 3 roots. It is a degree of 3. So let's try it. Taking a look at our equation here, we have negative x to the fourth plus x to the third plus 2x squared. Our graph is the same as it was before, with the 2 ends coming down, a high point, a low point, and also a high point. So our first question, what is the degree? Taking a look at that the highest exponent in our equation. So we've got a 4, a 3, a 2, the highest is a 4, so that means the degree is 4. Where are the roots? Those are located where it crosses the x-axis. So we can see that right here at negative 1, 0, at 0, 0, right in the middle, and also at 2, 0. I want you to try this one. So our equation is x to the third minus 7x plus 6. So your only job right now is to look for what is the degree, answer this question here, and where are the zeros. So looking at the equation to answer the first question, what is the degree, and then you will look at our graph here to find our zeros. Remember, you're looking for where it crosses the x-axis.